Right, hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. This is 2E0IQJ. This week's video, I want to show you my portable 2 metre all mode QRP setup. So I've got it sitting in this bicycle bag, and it's designed to fit the back of the bike, but you can use it as a normal bag. It doesn't weigh nothing, it's nice and light. And in the front here we've got a pocket you could put stuff in, so you can stick a drink in there, or sandwich or something like that, sausage roll and a drink. There's a pocket there. There's two round on this side. So you've got one there, one there. There's a pocket here at the front. So you makes it Ros wheel. You can adjust that with a strap there, make it a bit bigger, put a bit in there or torch. But in the top of it is the QRP setup. Now it works very well, this QRP setup, because I stood at the top of the street the other week, 2.5 watts on sideband on 2 metres, and I've done a copy into Leicestershire and one into Kent, so it's not too bad. It's working okay, it's lovely. There's the battery I'm using. It's an Overlander Super Sport 30C, so 30 degree LiPo battery, and that's 3,900 milliamps, 11.1 volts, 3 cell LiPo. And I could use internal batteries for the radio, like the C cells, and get rechargeables, but if it works this way, it works this way. And that's just on a barrel plug there. And yes, it is round, the wires are around the wrong way. See that? Red into black, black into red, because this is centre negative. It's unusual, normally it's centre positive. I should actually get a proper connection on there and get a fuse put in as well. Obviously there's the microphone for the ASU, and this is the radio itself. This is a little QRP radio. Don't be fooled by the size of the aerial. You can still do 100 plus miles on the aerial if you put it up. Let's give you an idea how tall the aerial is. So it goes from there to there, so it's a nice short aerial because of the frequency we're on. And don't be fooled by it. It still does 100 odd so miles. And friend Tim was going, you'll never get him, you'll never get him. So I called back to him, and he come back to me, and it was like, well done, bloody well done for getting that. So let's plug it in and see if anyone's about on the band. So I'm doing this all one-handed. So in the back it goes. Of course now, because of the battery being in there, or the connection in there, I have to put it on to the side, but never mind. So we're going to switch it on FM simplex. It's currently sitting on 144,350.
On the computer, restore to wherever you're trying.
145,425. That's quite a popular frequency. That's always seems to be in use. It's what we use. I use around here when I'm chatting the simplex to Robert.
The Norfolk Amateur Radio Club is having an informal evening, plus more in the computer room.
There's the GB Terrorist News.
Chris Danby, G0DWV on
145,525. That's quite clear. Probably clear as the verdict.
Southbound Amateur Radio Society. Decimal 060 megahertz at 7 PM. Full details are available from Tom, N60NX, by email to second.
Let's go down to lower part of the band. I say, don't be fooled by the size of the aerial. It works very, very well last Tuesday on the net night, beginning of the month. And I went out and about on a bike to try and get some video, and about half hour I was playing with it. Only had one station. I'm going in, this is not going to be great. As soon as I got indoors, went up top end of the garden, and I was hearing loads of sideband activity. Unfortunately it was a bit dark, so I couldn't catch anything in the video. So I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscription button, hit the bell button to be notified when I do new videos, which is normally every Monday around about 11:30. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. It's 2E0 IQJ with the QRP 2 meter radio. Catch you next time.